In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the billable function in QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. So whether you're an entrepreneur managing your own books or a part of a team handling business finances, enabling this feature can simplify your billing and expense tracking process. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page. If you haven't already created an account, now would be the time to do so. But for today's lesson, we're proceeding as if you already have an account set up. Once you're on the login page, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online, since that's the version we're working with today. Next, enter your credentials. This means typing in your email or username, followed by your secure password. After entering your credentials, click Continue, and you should be successfully logged into your QuickBooks account. Now you're ready to make some changes to your settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option. This is generally found as a gear icon in the corner of your dashboard. Clicking it will provide you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will need to choose Account and Settings. Clicking on this will open a new page where all your account configurations are listed. The next step is to focus on your expenses settings. Look for the Expenses tab, which is usually located on the left-hand side of your settings page. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Expenses section, you'll see an option labeled Bills and Expenses. This is where you'll find the billable feature we need to activate. So go ahead and click on Bills and Expenses. Here, look for the option that says Make Expenses and Items Billable. By default, this option might be turned off, but we want to enable it, so simply toggle it on. This feature allows you to track your expenses and items as billable, meaning you can include these directly in your invoices to customers, ensuring you're reimbursed for costs incurred. Finally, don't forget to save these changes to ensure that everything you've done so far is updated in your QuickBooks account. Look for the Save button, which is usually located towards the bottom right of the screen, and click it. And that's it, you've successfully turned on the billable function in QuickBooks. This feature is especially useful for keeping track of expenses that need to be charged back to clients, streamlining your invoicing process, and making your financial management much more efficient. Thanks for watching this QuickBooks tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.